Right, top end gardening, that's what it's all about. I'm going to show everyone how to make some DIY planters that act as a little greenhouse through this horrible time of year. Spring's almost here, but it's good to get your seeds in early. So either put these in your windowsill, put them outside, it doesn't matter. Like I say, this will act as a greenhouse effect. So you want yourself a milk carton or like a 5-litre screen wash carton, and you simply want to get some scissors. Make sure you've got a little nail, or you can use the scissors for some drainage holes at the bottom. Make sure you've got your seeds. I've got a little bamboo cane, there's a little seed dibber here, and I've got some super giant sunflowers, yeah? So these are Helianthus uniflorus giganteus. Excuse me Latin, do you know what I mean? But that's what it's all about. Everyone needs to get into gardening more. It's very satisfying. Unfortunately, I do it as work, so it's like a busman's holiday. So I'm a bit reluctant to do any gardening when I get home, but I'm getting into it more. Do you know what I mean? That's what it's all about. So get your screen wash carton, get your milk carton, and you simply want to cut out 3/4 of it, and it'll sort of act like a little greenhouse. You can simply open and close it as and when you need. So like I say with this, I keep the handle end sort of free. So I'll sort of start cutting sort of about here onwards, and we'll get this sorted. Right, so whatever you're using, you want to cut it like that, and then you can simply open it up like that. Absolutely fantastic. I'm just going to put the drainage holes at the bottom. If you are keeping them inside, I'd still recommend drainage holes and sort of put them on some sort of trays to hold the water. It's ideal, and like I say, it just stops it from getting too moist, too damp, and the seeds won't like that. So obviously, always implement your drainage. So I'm going to do that now. Like I say, I've got a little nail for that. A few holes at the bottom, that should do the trick. Right, so I've done about 11 drainage holes there, nice and small. You don't want to go crazy with it. You don't want to lose loads of compost through the bottom. There we go, little mini greenhouse for the plants this time of year. Absolutely fantastic. Like I say, these are suited for outside, so obviously close it up and it prevents slugs and snails from getting in. And if you want to go extra, you can always put sort of like a little catch on there just so it's super secure. Right, so I've got the drainage holes in situ. I've got about 11 drainage holes. Now I'm simply going to put the compost in this bottom layer, probably leave about 1 inch on top. Get yourself some quality compost. There we go, we filled it up with some quality compost. We've given enough room at the top, so we've left a couple of inches there. So obviously if you want to open it up and manually water it like that, or you can take the lid off and water it through there, I'll leave it up to you. But like I said, this is absolutely fantastic. So simply put, I'm going to get my little dibber. I've got about 9 seeds here. I'm going to do 3 rows of 9 sunflower seeds. Don't forget to firm the compost down nicely and then give it a good water. But there we go, that's 9 sunflower seeds planted. Nice, cheap, easy methods using recyclable materials that you'd throw out anyway. So it's absolutely brilliant. And like I say, you can either close this, keep them outside, keep them watered, and it'll act as a greenhouse effect, or simply put them in your windowsill for extra protection against pests. But doing this, it also prevents slugs and snails as well. It's absolutely fantastic. I'd recommend sort of trying to seal this in some way, maybe a little bit of tape. I'll leave it up to you. But there you go. Quick, easy, eco-friendly. That's what it's all about, isn't it? Do you know what I mean? And like I say, you can do this at home with items scattered around the house. If you haven't got any compost, just get some soil out of a border, put it in here, get the seeds planted, you're good to go.